Smart Finance Moves, Insight from CS and IP. AI in the stock market, smart tech trading. Welcome to the future of stock trading. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring how AI, artificial intelligence, is reshaping the stock market landscape. From enhancing trading strategies to making real-time predictions, AI is at the heart of modern financial innovation. Join us as we delve into the benefits and limitations of AI in today's stock market. The role of AI in stock trading. AI is transforming stock trading by using sophisticated algorithms to analyze market patterns, predict trends, and execute trades at lightning speed. This technology leverages big data, considering numerous factors simultaneously to optimize trading strategies. While AI's speed and precision are unmatched, it's essential to remember that these systems' effectiveness relies heavily on the quality of input data and model parameters. Current market impact. In today's stock market, AI tools are providing traders with unparalleled insights and efficiency. High-frequency trading platforms use AI to perform massive volumes of trades in milliseconds, capturing opportunities that were previously inaccessible. However, this high-speed trading can contribute to market volatility, posing risks if AI models are not carefully monitored and controlled. Benefits of AI in the stock market. AI offers several advantages in stock trading. 1. Efficiency, faster data processing, and trade execution. 2. Accuracy, improved accuracy in predicting market movements through advanced analytics. 3. Adaptability, continuous learning and adaptation from new data trends. Despite these benefits, traders must be aware of the potential over-reliance on AI, as algorithms may not always account for unexpected market events or shifts in economic conditions. Addressing the limitations. While AI enhances stock trading, it's vital to recognize its limitations. Market dependence. AI models may struggle in unpredictable market conditions or with novel datasets. Complexity. The complexity of AI systems can lead to a lack of transparency and understanding for users. Ethical and regulatory concerns. Rapid trading can lead to ethical questions and requires stringent regulatory oversight to prevent market manipulation. Traders should complement AI with human judgment and ensure that robust risk management practices are in place. The future of AI in stock trading. Looking ahead, AI will continue to evolve, offering even more sophisticated tools for stock trading. The integration of AI with other technologies like blockchain could enhance transaction security and transparency. As AI systems become smarter, human oversight will remain crucial to balance technological advancements with ethical considerations. Embrace AI in stock trading. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing stock trading by offering remarkable efficiencies and insights. By understanding both its strengths and limitations, investors can leverage AI to optimize their trading strategies and navigate the complexities of the stock market effectively. Thank you for joining us. If you found this exploration of AI in stock trading insightful, subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights on AI's role in finance. Let us guide you in staying ahead with the latest in technology and trading strategies.